Hey y'all, this is Renee from Journal, Jot and Jive. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all. Alright, it's time to open up these journals, planners, and all the stationery things so you can get things done. Alright. Today's supplies include the Scribbles That Matter dot grid journal, 2 distress oxide ink pads, an ink dabber, some washi tape, a picture from our Canon Ivy, and a few pens. If you're interested in the items that are mentioned, you can find the link below. Today's video is based around setting up a page for a future journal entry. I'll actually be completing the entry off screen. However, I wanted to show you how you can have fun with your distressed ink if those are some items you have around the house. Often we have the photo printers like the Canon Ivy. There's one by Polaroid, HP, y'all, they got it, you name it, they have it. And also we have washi tape. Now I'll be using this washi tape a little bit different. It's to create a clean line after I take it off from where I have dabbed the distressed ink onto my pages. Now today I am focusing on an entry that's based around making some adjustments. I need to make some adjustments within my work life, my personal life, but I wanted to focus on Journal, Jot and Jive in this entry. So I took a photo from a selfie that I took earlier this week, and I said, okay, we're going to use this as the base of your entry. All right, so I sometimes like to set the pages up ahead of time, because when you get caught up into, ooh, let me figure out how to make my page cute, creative, let me watch a video by Journal, Jot and Jive, you may forget to do the entry after the fact, right? So I do the same thing for myself. If I know that I'm going to be more distracted in the art component of the journal entry, then sometimes I'll do that ahead of time. Now once I go in, I will write my entry without being distracted, because I no longer have to figure out, oh girl, what color do you want, what design do you want on the page, are you going to try to do a video with somebody, and all of that, right? Because again, it becomes a major distraction. So I'm setting this up, and then once I finish, I can go in and pick the pen up. Now a quick little tip, when you're using distressed ink, trying to write on top of it with a gel pen, because I know that's the thing in the stationery community, a lot of people love gel pens, it's not always going to be your friend. Sometimes it will work, but more often than not, it ain't gonna work. All right, so to combat that, find you a marker based pen and you can write on top of it without any problems. All right, so that is your video for the day. Let me know if you write about making adjustments in your life. It's necessary. Sometimes we want to avoid pointing out where we can change, where we can make room for improvements without beating ourselves up, right? Because that can happen often. One thing that I noticed about me, I experience burnout quite a bit. And so I've currently been in therapy working on why am I experiencing burnout, and what can I do so that that does not happen. So that is what I'll be writing about on here, as well as a nice little note to myself, and that will be that. All right, so grab your journals today if you haven't all week and open them up. If you're needing more motivation outside of that, join us over on Patreon. That's where I create some journal prompts each month for the patrons, and they have something that will keep them opening their journal on the regular, and I go live with them every Wednesday. All right, so until then, chat with me in the comment section below and I'll chat back. Catch you on the next one.